today we are going to cook something very special. Special because I have cooked this before and been successful. Successful because I also liked it. And I really want to share this recipe with you guys because I really like the dish. The dish is very simple, as in it's a chicken fried rice. And this is a very easy technique of a Chinese chicken fried rice for all those who love fried rice, especially chicken. So let's move into the kitchen. We've started. So some things that I've learned about making fried rice is that the food should always be cooked on high flame. So now we need to wait till the pan gets heated up. And so you've seen the ingredients. We have garlic, which is the main ingredient. Then the second main would be spring onions. Then chili, green chili. We have capsicum here, which is red and green, and some carrot. You can add your favorite vegetables according to whatever you like. You can add beans or maybe whatever you like. I prefer these. Cabbage you could add cabbage, but then I like these. These make it very simple and at the same time it's very healthy. Let's try a very healthy fried rice. See, I can hear the pan getting heated up. I'm gonna cook the fried rice in ghee. We need to add some ghee to the pan. Put your flame on high. We're gonna add garlic to it. Very nice. Some chili. Oops. Now we'll add spring onions to it. To this we will add a little bit of salt. It's according to your taste. Alright. Next we're going to add capsicum. Capsicum you get in different colors: yellow, red, green. So it just adds color to it, and fried rice will look very colorful. Carrot, we're not going to add water and boil it because cooking it on a high flame itself is good enough. Can you see how colorful it looks? Wow. We'll just wait for this to get cooked, and if you can manage, I know you guys can, at the same time you can switch on the other, this one. Oh, am I switching on the right one? Yes. We can get eggs ready. I've taken 4 eggs. 4 eggs. I've taken 4 eggs and we're gonna beat that a little bit. Add a little bit of salt and pepper. We're going to get it scrambled. Let's add some ghee to it. Some ghee. I've added very little ghee, and we're going to scramble the egg. Okay. So I'm going to add some eggs to it, and also some chicken. Meat you can add according to your choice. If you want to add other meat like fish or anything else, you need to boil it separately. Like I have boiled some chicken with salt and pepper and kept it aside, and I'll be adding that after I add the egg. I guess I need to change the flame to this one because it's not getting cooked fast. So egg is getting cooked. Before we add the egg into this mixture, let's add a bit of very little soya sauce and Sichuan chili sauce. That's if you like spicy fried rice, but you can add the normal chili sauce otherwise. Egg is almost ready. I've switched off the pan. Right, so here's some soya. I'm going to use a little soya and a bit of Sichuan sauce. Now we need to put the eggs. Right, so now we're going to add this is the cooked chicken. I cooked it, I boiled the chicken with salt and pepper. So now we'll just add that. You need to keep stirring until the chicken also gets the same color as the vegetables. Okay, so everything is turning into the same color. So it's time to add the rice. I've taken rice out of the fridge. There is more rice inside. This is just a demonstration. So we're going to add rice slowly and then mix it along with the other vegetables, egg and chicken. Chicken fried rice is ready and everyone's ready to attack the fried rice. So you know what to do. Keep watching, subscribe, like, share, and try this chicken fried rice at home, and you should let me know how it was because I'll be waiting. Don't forget to subscribe, bell button.